In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Wise to Payoneer in just a few simple steps. First, open your browser and go to the Wise website. Log into your Wise account using your usual details. Before you continue, make sure you already have your Payoneer receiving account details ready, including the account number and routing or sort code. You'll need these in a moment. Once you're logged into Wise, click on the Send option. Here, choose the option to send money to your own bank account. This is where you'll add your Payoneer account as the recipient. Now enter your Payoneer bank details carefully, including the account number, sort or routing code, and the name on the account. Then type in the amount you want to transfer from Wise to Payoneer. Double check everything to make sure there are no mistakes. When all the details are correct, review the transfer summary one last time. Then confirm the payment. Wise will now process the transfer and send the funds to your Payoneer receiving account. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from Wise to Payoneer. It's a simple process as long as your details are correct. If this helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more easy finance tutorials.